Today we're going to show you how to take the handle and service the valve on this faucet. Now your faucet is going to be installed on a counter. This one is on the bench top. First you have to remove the little cap. If it doesn't come off easily, you might just need a knife just to pry it off. Don't cut your fingers. Then you'll need a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw that holds the small handle in place. Don't lose the little screw. This is on with a spline. You might have to just tap it a little bit and that should come off. Then the cover, the valve cover, unscrews like so. Then with an adjustable wrench or the proper size spanner wrench, you can remove the valve. Look inside that there isn't any debris. There's a small port that you can see right inside there, and that's what's probably going to be clogged. You can wash this in a mild vinegar solution. You can even add a drop of vinegar in there if you wish. When it's all clean, put it back together. Put that in place. Tighten that. Just tight enough that you won't get a water leak. Don't overdo it. That goes back. The splines go back. The small screw goes back. And the cap goes back. And you service the valve.